Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on turning off Google Assistant on your Samsung device. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your phone. In Settings, scroll down to and tap on Google. In the Google settings, tap on Account Services. Then tap Search Assistant and Voice. On the next page, tap Google Assistant. Scroll down the Assistant settings and tap General. In General, switch the toggle off to the right of Google Assistant, and then tap Turn Off on the pop-up. Your Google Assistant has now been switched off. If you say Hey Google or hold down on the Home button, the Google Assistant will no longer open. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Samsung tips and tricks.